Hi, this is Saad at Johnson RV down here in Fife, Washington, home of the premium pre-owned motorhomes. Today I will be showing you the 2014 Coachmen Freelander 22QB. This unit sits on the Ford V10 engine. The chassis is E350 chassis. So it's a Super Duty, so you can still tow 5,000 pounds behind you. You got large mirrors on each side and built-in steps as well. The awning is a manual awning that stretches from front all the way to the back, so you have a lot of real estate. Over here you'll have an area for additional storage. If you want to mount a TV to this, you can do that because there's cable outlet and a GFI connection. Hot water tank, 6-gallon hot water tank, furnace exhaust, and then down below that, this is the propane area. Yeah, nice size propane here. Then you have an additional 110 connection. Refrigerator exhaust, ventilation for the kitchens right there. This is the catch for the door. And being that it is a short 23.5, 24-foot unit, you'd be amazed of how much storage you'll get on this unit here. Huge amount of storage. Let's go to the back real quick. This unit also comes with a ladder in the back. You can climb up there. It's a walkable roof. You can sweep off the leaves, the pine needles, just to, maintain the roof. Another access point for the storage. Your spare wheels are mounted back there as well. And then it's set up. The hitch is set up and ready to go. Tows 5,000 pounds, and then here's your 7-way plug. Good to go. Your 30-amp cord tucked away right in here. Easy access. Okay, your tank flush system. This is your city connection for water. Fuel tank, cable. This unit has one slide. We'll be able to see what's on that slide. Down below you have additional storage, and then further to the front is a 4,000 watt Onan gas generator working off of your fuel tank. So let's head inside and see what this Freelander has to offer. So we're inside of the 2014 Coachmen Freelander 22QB. In the cab area, of course, you have your audio controls are right here, your ventilation, cruise control at your touch. Straightforward stuff up here. And then here's your cab over. Coachmen will provide you one of the biggest cab over bedding in the industry. Look at all that. Supports and will sleep 2 adults comfortably. And it also has a buckle, so that way no one rolls out of it. They can be nice and safe. Or if you are utilizing this for storage when you're on the road, it doesn't slip out and fall down on the floor for you. The TV is located right up here for you. DVD and audio is right up here as well. That's your entertainment system. Okay, along this area here, let's take a look at the control panels real quick. All your control panels are right here. House switch or disconnect is right here. Slide control, generator hours, water pump, water heater, straightforward. Your battery, your house battery is located right underneath the footstep. And in this area here, you'll have storage above the sink. Lights right above it, nice window for you. Stainless steel sink. This one comes with this filter for you. Look at all that storage for this small unit. Your microwave, very easy to get to, not too high. Lights and vent, to vent all your smoke outside. You got the 3-burner propane system as well. This one does not have an oven, but it gives you more storage. There you go. Look at this big refrigerator for a small unit like this. And over here is the corner bed. This unit also comes with a cover. So when you put it away for winter time, you cover the whole unit. Windows in the rear, windows on the side, storage on top. Thermostat controls right here. It has a little nightstand right there for your device. But this is a nice big bed. You got reading lights as well for each person. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Bathroom wise, we'll step inside here. Quite a bit of room. You got your coat hanger, you got your sink, your toilet. Bathroom storage is right here. Very easy access. It's a corner bathroom. And then you'll have the wardrobe space. Look at that. Space there, space here, and here. And then you have the U-shaped dinette, seat belts back there, in front, and right here as well. This doubles as a bed also. So when you take the tabletop down, it'll bridge across. That back cushion will fill in the middle. You got storage on top. Nice lounging area, TV in front of you, with the nice big picture window. Cup holders on each side. This is a very nice short unit. This is sought at Johnson RV down here in Fife. Call me at 253-286-0833. Thank you.